film begins with an idea. Bringing it to life takes vision, talent, and opportunity. As the faith-based film Redeemed, A Father's Love premieres before a Jamaican audience, the spotlight shines not only on the screen, but on a growing local film industry, proving that Jamaican stories belong on the big screen.
This is a moment in history where Jamaica stands to be proud, and I'm proud to be a part of this moment. Listen, find people with talent. As long as you find talent, build on them. We are the ones who build Jamaica. The heart of the movie is paternity issues and the power of forgiving after. While it speaks to paternity, it speaks to other issues. Jamaica is plagued with crime and violence, and the number one issue we have is unforgiveness.
Stories like these are taking shape and finding space because both the government and those in the industry are creating opportunities for local talent, investment, and employment.
The film industry is on a boom right now, and it's not just movies everywhere, movies coming up. It's really quality movies. We have excellent writers, excellent editors. We have talent here, and I really think that the film industry in Jamaica is on a boom. It's on a rise right now.
And the talent is already showing itself on screen.
I was really blessed with a very super talented cast. They took direction very well, and they were very good.
For Michael Nicholson, who we may know as String Beans, the production offered a very different kind of challenge.
What I'm happy about is that we actually put the police in a good light. It's bad enough we have to carry a cell phone, and I get that. But now having a firearm as part of the uniform, I had a newfound respect for police and the things they have to do to keep law and order.
But for Nicholson, the value of the production extends beyond his character.
The fact that the church is the one that has done this particular one, I think will push a lot of other churches to follow suit. And I think for us as Jamaicans and as an actor, it can argue for more work for us. And I think we're very happy that we're out there now. People can see our work, not just on television, but on the big screen.
And then there's the younger generation, already finding its place in the industry.
My name is Alasia, and I play young Julia.
Her character's journey is one of finding direction, something she says resonated with her personally.
It kind of shows that no matter how lost you are, you can still find your way.
The forgiveness and the caught between two lovers, and making a decision and, to really say who is the right father for the child. That's a lot of women in Jamaica, all over the world, they may have gone through this situation, and to see that in the movie, it came out who is the real father.
Then there's Justin On, taking on the role of the film's villain.
I would hope that people would take away the relationship that you could see he has with his daughter, and two, how he operated under a certain system, under the circumstances that he was given. He had choices, but he chose to go on a certain path instead of choosing perhaps a righteous path.
When the lights dim and the credits begin to roll, the story doesn't end there. It lives on in the jobs created, the businesses supported, and the talent inspired. It's another step in building Jamaica's film industry.